I just got you on camera.
Okay, we'll cut that out.
I will stand back though. You leaned over and I didn't expect it. You leaned right into frame.
Picture of these.
You're gonna cut out the sound on this, right?
No. Can you see 2 aught?
I'm not sure. You might have to put in annotation.
Okay.
You know how to do that, right?
Oh yeah. You getting everything?
Mm-hmm.
Felt copper cutting a little bit.
Oh, that's not good. Hopefully that's not a problem.
With all that copper, I doubt if it is.
That is a lot of copper. Doesn't seem like enough.
It doesn't?
Well, you're gonna be sticking that on there, right?
Yeah.
And get.
If you don't flux it, you might as well be crimping it. Oh. See if this fits. Oh, it almost fits. We'll make it fit.
What are you doing?
Cleaning a ring terminal with a 1/2-inch cleaning brush.
Neat.
Wow.
Is that bad?
That's good.
Okay.
Now here's the tricky part. Oh, nice. All right. Remember I made that mark?
No.
You don't remember?
I'll review the footage.
Okay. You'll watch it on YouTube. ATC Penguin doing my camera work today.
Stop doing that.
See if we can get a good gash going on. You know what? You don't like when I give you a shout out?
That seems kind of like you're giving me stuff.
What does that even mean?
It's like when you go around and just send messages to random people so they'll subscribe to you.
Oh. Come on. Nobody's going to think that of you. I said it anyway.
I guess that makes it okay.
Oh, look at all that copper.
It's a lot of copper. One of them's black.
That's got to come out of there.
What is that?
It's a thread for something. Oh no. Use it to...
That would catch fire. Maybe. Just doesn't seem good.
Getting that?
Mm-hmm.
You see copper there? Copper.
So we're creating a flux capacitor. Let me try as hard as I can to not get you on camera. Kind of swaying.
Kind of teetering, isn't it?
Yeah. Doesn't seem like a good thing at all. You can't tell it's blowing out fire.
No?
No, I said if you can't tell it's blowing out fire because you can't see it too well. I guess you can see it a little bit. Not too well though.
Can you tell how it's not getting on the copper yet?
It's
not melting on the copper yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just on the terminal? Just on the terminal? You want that copper to get hot too. You with me?
Mm-hmm. That's if you get on fire.
It's okay. Clean it up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I don't want to get your camera too close to the torch, but I kind of need it more closer to get it better. Here, I'm going to get that.
Oh, we're filling that right up.
That didn't take nearly as much as you described to me. Burning rubber, literally.
See if we can get some more to go down in there.
Yeah, you're melting the rubber.
That's okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I believe we're full.
Alright, that was a good picture.
Let's see our next step.
Alright.
That. So we'll do it right there.
You don't want it to be up there where the thing is?
Well, it's only got that much. So how about if I put it right there?
Alright.
I like that.
Maybe you could do it with a lighter.
That's too slow.
Make sure you don't miss it again.
Wait a minute. Ah, they shrink a little that way.
What?
They shrink lengthwise as well.
Okay.
That's actually not a good thing. But I like the glue on them.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Like roasting a marshmallow.
Except faster. You only missed it by a little bit last time, though. That took a little bit of a weird turn there.
Look at him go in.
Well, you didn't miss it that time.
Nope. Oh, that's good and pretty. That's a sexy termination right there. Ooh, watch it.
What?
Almost caught it on fire. See the glues pushing out?
Yeah. You can definitely tell where it hits the rubber again.
That's nice. Glue all the way around. There it is. How's that?
Looks good.
Alright. I'm going to call that finished.
All right.
That's how we'll do 'em.